welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am filming you a look. I already have pretty much all of my makeup done. I just got a couple products from Hourglass in the mail that I was really super excited to show you, and I just been really actually loving Hourglass lately. I understand that it's not the cheapest brand out there, but it's really actually really nice. I just been loving their products and my skin just looks really nice. So I actually got the new Caution Mascara from Hourglass. Definitely heavy packaging, and this is what the wand looks like. Awesome. I haven't even tried any of this stuff yet. So I just got it in the mail and I am super excited to test this stuff out for you. I got a couple lip products as well. I got one of the refillable lipsticks that come in one of these tubes. Really just heavy, like heavy packaging. Feels really nice. This is a Confession Slim refillable lipstick in When I'm With You. This is the shade, really cute purple color. It's really cute because actually even on the refillable, it even shows you right there, When I'm With You. Really cute. I got another one of the Girl Lip Stylos, and this is in the shade Explorer, and that's a really super pretty color. Can't wait to try this one out too. So this is the Lip Stylo, and then I also got one of the Shattered Light glitter eyeshadows in the shade Aura. And when I actually picked this, when I actually got this sent in the mail today, I looked at it and I'm like, this almost reminds me a lot like the Tarte Chrome Paint Pots. As you can see, really cute color. It's pressed into the pot, and this is the name. And actually I do have one of the Tarte Chrome Paint Pots actually next to me, so we can actually look at the size comparison. So this is the Top Yacht one, which is 3 grams, and this one is 3.5 grams. And this is the size difference between the two. So I'm actually got all of my, pretty much all my eyeshadow done, but I wanted to test this guy out for you. The new Caution Mascara, and then both of the lipsticks. So that's kind of something that I've gotten in the mail recently. What I'm gonna do first is swatch the Hourglass Shattered Light Glitter Eyeshadow in the shade Aura. And I'm going to swatch it on the back of my hand. Do one more swipe so it's a little bit better to see, and that is it. Definitely is really pretty if you see it in person. Definitely does not give justice to it. It's definitely pink and it has glitter to it, so I'm going to see how this thing applies without putting any maybe like Fix Plus or some spray on my eye, and then I will try the next one sprayed on my eye. So as always, I'm going to try this out with a MAC 242 brush. I definitely need to get another one of these because this thing is truly loved. So I'm going to pat into the pot, and let's try applying this. Definitely sheer. Reminds me a lot like the Tarte Chrome Paint Pots. It's a really pretty color. I'm actually going to take my finger and actually try applying it as well to see how this thing applies. So it is definitely better applied with my finger so far. I'll zoom in so you can see this a little bit better too. You can see that it has a bunch of different colors. This is actually really nice. So I'm going to take a little bit more of this on my MAC 242, trying to pick up a pretty generous amount on here. And I'm going to use some of MAC Fix Plus. spray my brush pretty well. And let's try to apply this wet. Definitely pretty cool color. Very everyday wearable color. Just going to blend the edge out here. Definitely do like this. Really, really pretty color. This is something I'm probably going to get my use out of. So let's do this on the other eye. I'm gonna go back in with my MAC 242, spray that brush again. Definitely a really cool color. Just gonna pick up a little bit more and pat it on. Just going to blend out the edge a little bit. I'm going on to Hourglass's website and I'm going to look and see what these shadows are. I only got one of them, but I might actually go back and maybe get more of them. The details are a weightless refined glitter eyeshadow infused with light reflecting pearls to create high impact, sparkling eyes. The unique hybrid cream formula creates reflective, buildable dimension for everything from a delicate shimmer to an intense prismatic finish. And then it also says that it's a multifaceted pearls capture and reflect light for brilliant multi-dimensional eyes, infused with refined glitter for a sophisticated sparkling finish. Light-catching shades are buildable from a sheer crystal-like shimmer to an opaque prismatic glitter finish, and they come in 5 shades. So Smoke is a taupe shade, Aura is a pink shade, which we did use today, Reflect is a champagne color, Foil is a gold shade, and Blaze is a copper shade. And I'm just going to pull these up on the page, and these are the shades. Really, really pretty colors. I might actually look into these more. Now I'm going to try the mascara, which is the Caution Extreme Mascara. And the packaging is definitely like the heavier packaging that Hourglass does have. And I'm actually going to go to the website and I'm going to read about the mascara because I heard that there's a really good claim about this mascara, so I want to see what this all is about. The mascara retails for $29, and the details about the mascara: all-in-one mascara that delivers endless length, intense volume, and sky-high lift for extreme dramatic lashes. A combination of the innovative 4D amplifier brush with the continuous buildable formula creates lashes that defy the boundaries of traditional mascara. And then it says for features and benefits, the 4D amplifier brush combines 2 brushes in one to deliver volume, length, lift, and definition for extreme lashes. Saturates lashes from root to tip for the most volume in a single stroke. Perfectly coats the bottom lashes without smudging onto lower lash line. I'm hoping that will work. And that says tapered and reaches even the smallest lashes in the corners of the eyes. Smooth, buildable, ultra black formula creates dramatic but weightless lashes that don't smudge or flake. So that would be really nice. I think I'm actually going to test this for an all-day mascara on a different tutorial. And I'm actually going to show you a before and after of what they show for this mascara. Let's see if I can get it to pick up. So they show a before and after. So I'm going to put it on one of my eyes and then we can look and see what it looks like. Here is the mascara wand. And I'm going to apply it to one side. Now there's definitely a lot of brands out there that are claiming that they are extreme volume, and hopefully this will actually end up being better than some of the other ones that have been out recently. So this is one coat. Trying to actually get a good, see if I can get closer. My lashes are not a swooping up lash. My lashes are pretty straight. I'm going to apply another coat. It is definitely makes my eyelashes look really thick. My lower lashes are definitely a lot thicker looking. I do like it. Trying to actually get you a good look is where the hard part's gonna be. Wonder if I try curling this lash, maybe it will look better. So let me try that and see how this eye looks when I curl it. Let's give this one a go. All right, and this is the other side that's curled. Let me put one more coat and let's see how this looks. Close my eyes so you can kind of see what they look like. I definitely do like it a lot. I'm gonna give this thing a good couple more tries and see how I like this. And I'll let you know in the next coming videos. I'll be using it and testing it out and seeing how I like it. But so far, I really do like it. Let's try out the two lipsticks that I got. We're gonna do, the first one is Hourglass Girl Lip Stylo in Explorer. And this is what the shade looks like. Same packaging for my other stylo that I have. Really, really nice. And the Lip Stylo in Explorer retails for $32. And this is supposed to be nourishing for your lips as well, so that's always a plus. So let's apply this guy. Very creamy, makes my lips feel very moisturized. It's a really, really pretty color too. I definitely do like this color, makes my lips just look really, really pretty. And you can definitely wear this with almost any look, I would say. Really, really pretty color. And this is the shade Explorer. So this is the shade Explorer. So I'm going to go and wipe this lipstick off, and then we will apply the next shade. Alright guys, so I'm back and I'm going to be doing the second lipstick color that I got. And this is a Confession Ultra Slim High Intensity Refillable Lipstick in the shade When I'm With You. This is what the case looks like, the color looks like, and it's very slim, not heavy at all, and it's not very bulky either. This retails for $34. So let's go ahead and apply the shade When I'm With You all over the lips. Alright guys, this is the shade When I'm With You, and it is really creamy as well. Does not make my lips feel dry. I should have done a better application, but at least I tried. And it's really nice that this is refillable and you can put different shades in here. So if you do run out of this one, you can go and get another one. So these are the new Hourglass products that I did get in the mail. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little review on the things that I did get from Hourglass and using them, and also first impression tutorial. If you guys have not subscribed to my YouTube channel or my Instagram or my Twitter, I will leave that information in the description bar below. My name is Heidi Weller, and that is both for my YouTube and also my Instagram. And then also Heidi Spec is my Twitter. So if you guys want to see any good first impressions, please make sure that you guys comment in the comment section below. So if you guys like videos like this, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. See you guys later. Mwah. Bye. Are you walking in here? Hello? Hi.